Welcome back to Product Critique, where we dive deep into the latest and greatest products on the market. Today, we're exploring one of the best America Chavez figures from Marvel Legends Doctor Strange in the Multiverse of Madness series. If you're a Marvel fan or collector, you're in for a treat with the America Chavez Marvel Legends action figure. Let's start with the design. This figure boasts a premium movie-inspired design that captures every detail of America Chavez's appearance in the Marvel Cinematic Universe. From her costume to facial features, the craftsmanship is impeccable. One of the standout features of this figure is its articulation. With multiple points of articulation, you can pose America Chavez in various dynamic stances, making it perfect for display or recreating your favorite action scenes. Included are 2 accessories and a swappable head, adding versatility to your display options. Whether you prefer America Chavez with her signature accessories or in a different pose, this figure delivers. Additionally, this figure includes a part to build Rintra, adding another layer of excitement for collectors. Collect all the figures in this series to complete the Build-A-Figure experience. In conclusion, the Marvel Legends series America Chavez figure is a must-have for any Marvel enthusiast. With its detailed design, articulation, and bonus accessories, it stands out as one of the best representations of this beloved character. That's it for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth product critiques like this. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.